trying to figure out how to replace their livelihood after thousands of dollars of tools were stolen.
At a crime wave in the San Fernando Valley, thieves are targeting work vans, hoping to score some prized property.
More than $50,000 worth of product was gone when staff arrived on scene.
Okay, we got a Chevy Express van here. He's got plumbing equipment, very expensive equipment, so we end up installing the Clifford 3105 to arm the alarm. You're gonna hit lock. This van came equipped with electric door locks from factory, so it will lock and unlock your doors. Disarm, it will unlock your doors. In the event that somebody's interested in doing a van like this and they don't have electric door locks from factory, we can still install the actuators in. It's just gonna be more money. And normally people do the two front doors and then they do the donut locks in the back, padlocks in the back, or if you want to do all four doors, you're more than welcome. We do them also. Those are going to be for folks that have these vans that don't have any electric door lock, which is not the end of the world. It's just going to cost you a little more money for the actuators to be installed inside the doors. If somebody tries to bust out the keyhole or they try to break a window, the alarm's going to set off. Flash your lights all around the vehicle. Panic button in case you forgot where you put the car. Okay, you notice you get one beep for on, and then you should get two chirps for off, and that means that two beeps are off and everything was okay. But if you get four chirps like this, that means that the alarm was fired off while you've been away from the car. Because if this alarm will fire off while you've been away from the car, it will ring for 2.5 minutes and it'll reset. And if you come back and you get two chirps, you know everything was good. If you get four beeps when you turn it off, at one point it went off, that doesn't mean that somebody broke in, but it can also mean that somebody opened the door and smacked your door in your van, and maybe it's something you want to look at for door dings or whatnot. But anyway, in the minute you start the van, and you turn off the van and you get to your next job, it will reset back to two chirps. So one beep is on and it will go back to two beeps. Any door that they open, so if somebody tries to, normally the way they get in this back door, they like to bust out this whole thing here and get in. So if they open a door, the alarm will trigger. Okay. This alarm comes with two remote control. It's got lifetime warranty. It's got the blue LED light that goes. See, now you get the four chirps that went off. You got the antenna right there on the top, and it's got the blue LED light that's gonna flash at night. Let the thief know, whoever's breaking into your vehicle, that you have an alarm system, and plus it gives you an antenna. It gives you a good length of a football field that you can arm and disarm the alarm from far away. This alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.